Let me tell you, life is hard. In this life, you either grind or starve. Anything you want in life, you gotta work hard to have it. That's why I ain't going for nothing till I'm laying dead in a casket. We grinding, we working, trying to make things. Let me tell you, life is hard. In this life, you either grind or starve. Anything you want in life, you gotta work hard to have it. That's why I ain't going for nothing till I'm laying dead in a casket. We grinding, we working, trying to make things happen, yeah. Ever needed someone and they wasn't there? Gotta watch the signs people show, cause it shows how much they really care. How much pain can you really bear? I know life gets hard, but who said life was gonna play fair? I told my little bro that the other day. Long live my brothers, I go above and beyond. Free my brothers locked down behind those kids. My album been ready, but I had to wait. Had to move the room steady.